Here guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off keyboard sound while typing on Realme 16 Pro 5G. So let us start. So when I open my keyboard, you can see it's now opened, and when I type, you can hear the keyboard sound. So if you want to turn it off, just follow this tutorial. Okay, so let me delete this message. Let me close this app. Okay, so just open your settings app and then scroll down to system and update, and then tap on it, and then tap on input method, and then tap on manage keyboards, and then we have to tap on Gboard because this is the default keyboard on this phone. Okay, so let me tap on it and then tap on preferences, and then scroll down to key tap this section, and in this section we have to come to sound. So we have to turn it off. So to turn it off, just tap on this toggle button. Let me tap on it, and you can see it's now turned off. And now when I open my keyboard, you can see it's now opened, and when I type, you can't hear the keyboard sound. So it's now turned off. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.